August 3rd. Dude, no, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Nope. Nope. August 3rd. What is this person doing? Coming up over a blind hill in the left-hand lane. What in the world is wrong with people? I don't want to be behind this guy, but you know, there's just not a lot of places to pass here on 664. Yeah, about that. So I'm out on the old Spyder. I started working on this thing finally. Oh, look at that. Somebody willed that dude to turn right, and yes. So like I said, I started working on the old Spyder. I want to do a lot to it. It's just very difficult. So I already did the oil change. I replaced both drain plugs with new drain plugs, and I cleaned the air filter. So what's next is this thing is going to get scrubbed-a-dubbed-a-dubbed. And we're gonna lay some wax down on it. It's in bad shape. I mean, I don't know the last time I washed it, to be honest with you. You know, I'm slacking. Yeah, so we're gonna wash it, and we might even like clay bar it and then do like just a quick spray wax to it. And then we're gonna change out that back tire. We're gonna inspect the rear bearings, and we're just gonna kind of put this Spyder back together. It's just difficult. Very, very difficult. I couldn't even get through the oil change and the air filter change. I had to take a break. Because I've got bones of a 90-year-old. That swimming pool down there looks very inviting. They have to have that thing heated. That thing does not see sun. I'm struggling this year to keep our pool at 85 degrees. It's just the summer has just been so cool. I just cannot believe how cool it's been. And then you got places in the south that are just crazy heat. But yeah, not here in Ohio. Nope, nope, nope. So back to the Spyder. So I wanted to start on this sooner than what I have, but I just haven't been able to. So today's a mental health ride. That's what we're gonna call this ride. And then I am, thank goodness, leaving for Florida. My youngest daughter and I and my nephew are heading to family vacation in St. Augustine, so I'm going to take all the cameras, and we will get some footage while we're down there. And then when I get back is when we will at least get this thing washed. I would love to make room for a Spyder in the shed, so that way I have the blue bike and the white Spyder in the outside, like the little tent thing. And then if this thing could actually fit in the shed, I would be very happy. So that's what I'm gonna start with. You know, let's get this thing washed and waxed, that back tire on it, and then you know, maybe we can find a home for it, and we'll just slowly, you know, I have a little bit of rust on the fender bracket. We'll get that cleaned up and painted, and then we might as well match it to that side, and we'll just, you know, run through front to rear. As long as my health and money holds up, you know, we'll see what we can do to this whole thing. 81,334 miles on it, and dude, this has been a trooper of a Spyder. This thing's lived outside its whole entire life. Outside, in the sun, on grass, not even on concrete, on grass, and she's a beast. What can I say? This thing has been through the extreme. You know, rain. I bought these things to travel. If it rains, it rains. Now, if it's going to rain, I'm not going for a ride. But if I'm going somewhere and it's supposed to rain, like on a trip, it is what it is. Like, you know, I bought these things to ride. This thing has been through snow and salt and you name it. This thing has just been everything. What's up, people? Oh, look at this. We caught 3 more cars. I don't know what I'm going to do with all this traffic. That's 4 cars on this road. I think I'm gonna turn left up here instead of following. Oh yeah, this thing rides so much stiffer than the white Spyder. And the only reason why is it has Fox shocks on the back, and then I changed that rear shock on the rear. And it's, I mean, it's, I'll tell you, to be honest with you, it is set up for 450 pounds, sport touring, you know, so this thing is stiff when it's just me on it. I set it up because we were going to start using this more for travel with my youngest daughter. And, you know, the ex-wife, I thought, said that she wanted to start riding with me. That's why we went out and bought the white Spyder. And it just, you know, it never happened. So this thing is, this thing is stiff. I am not gonna lie. I could probably soften that rear shock up a little bit, but why are we stopping? Maybe they wanted firewood. Yeah, look, firewood. I don't know. Oh, it's pretty property up there. I am digging going out on these rides, and just I don't know. I love looking at people's property and their views, and I like it. Oh, look, there's two cars behind me. It is definitely a traffic jam on 664 today. Now we got a tractor. That makes sense. As I get run over from the rear. Hey, buddy. Got a big tractor. Yeah, see, just some people, man, they just do not know how to drive when the roads get twisty. .32 miles per hour. Yep. That's okay. I think my road's coming up, and we're going to just turn left, and let's just will these people to go straight. Oh, it's a pretty house. Top of the hill. Lot of property to mow. Could not do it, nor would I want to. Oh, freshly paved. How lucky are we? Now, I've only been on this road a couple times, so I am not coming through here crazy quick. You know, if someone does live on this road and come up behind me, they're going to be doing the same thing. Guy doesn't know how to drive. Speed limit's 45. Oh yeah. And this is just like this little ridge that runs between Lancaster and Logan. And I play with it, you know, north to my left. When I had street tires on the dual sport, now I just got mud knobbies, so it doesn't go on road anymore. But there's some really good little roads down through here. Oh, let's see who this is. Hello. Hello. Yes. I am not interested in a mortgage loan anymore. Thank you for calling. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. I lied. I'm not gonna lie. I'm refinancing the house, and apparently when they pull your credit, the credit people can actually sell that information I don't get it. And in my phone, dude, I don't get it. I don't get it. 5 calls a day. Hey, we want to give you some money. And it's like, oh no, dude, I'm already, no, go away. That's a nice little piece of property. Oh, look at that little road. Goes right down the hill. I bet it smells good through here with the pines. Yeah, this is definitely the type of road that I really enjoy if I just want to get out for a ride. Now, sometimes I don't like roads like this. You know, sometimes I want to get out on the highway and just run 80, 85 miles per hour and put down 100 miles, you know. Sometimes that's how I feel. You know, and there's no right and or wrong road or riding style or motorcycle or Spyder, you know, it's just what you prefer. I do not prefer the flatland of Northwest Ohio. I do not. That is not my cup of tea. I don't like just sitting in the same spot, not moving. But with my health issues, if I just sit here for long periods of time, I get really, really stiff. My back starts hurting, my hips start hurting, and it really affects my ride. That's why, well, not only do I enjoy twisty roads, but it really works my lower back and I don't get as stiff as quick, or I don't get in as much pain when I'm, you know, moving my body around to get through these turns. So I definitely prefer twisty roads. It keeps me loose, my old bones. Oh, it's super pretty down through here. That would be a cool garage slash house. My daughter lives in this little 2-bedroom. It used to be a garage with like a little apartment on top of it, and they removed the garage part of it to put in like a downstairs living room, and then they can have 2 bedrooms upstairs. Dude, I would love to have something like that, but convert the bottom back into a garage and have the Spyders, you know, downstairs in the garage in my toolbox, and I just have to walk down the steps and bam. Oh man, that would be I could definitely do that. I could. Where's the road? There's the road. Oh, we caught more cars. Man, today, what time is it? It's got to be early still, 9:30, 9:40 in the morning. I dig it. I got to be home in a couple hours. Appraisal, house, stuff. Oh, it's a stop sign. Oh yeah, and we are in Logan, Ohio. And this is probably where I'm going to end my ramblings today. Like I said, today is just a mental health ride. It's just to clear my head and get out and enjoy the Spyder. I enjoy bringing / riding on this old girl. Even though the clutch pull hurts my fingers, and not having floorboards after a while hurt my hips, I still enjoy riding this thing more than the white Spyder. Even though the white Spyder is a lot easier to ride. I mean, when you have hand issues, you can't beat the electronic shift. And then those huge floorboards, man, you just move around so much. Walnuts. We'll go this way. And we'll turn here on Mulberry. We'll go through downtown real quick. I'll be quiet so I can edit this part out. Oh, it's the electric one. Okay, that was a very abrupt slow down. Here we go, Main Street. Oh, I can't turn down Main Street. Well, there's Main Street. They got closed off for some type of festival. Party in Logan. They're going to zoom right there. Look at that. They are in a hurry. They go fast. Oh, it's the GT line, so it's the quicker EV. Okay. Maybe dual motor? GT line? Dual motor? The thing's probably quick. Thing is probably quick. I still like, you know, gas-powered vehicles, but the performance of a dual motor electric car, they'd be fast. So on that, I'll let everybody go. Give me a big old thumbs up as we wait behind this EV. They're gonna blast off of this line. I can put money on it. We'll just watch. We'll see how fast they go. Yeah, that's 70. Oh yeah, they going fast. Where am I going? I guess we'll go this way. All right, everybody, give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe. I'll see you down the road. Oh, I gotta pull my right hand up, and I can't because I'm on this little road and I gotta accelerate for the highway.